Now to configure the update compliance setting through Microsoft 365 Admin Center portal, we have to go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center portal. So I'm going to log into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center portal. And inside Microsoft 365 Admin Center portal, we have to click on the Show All button, and we have to go down. Here we have an option called Health, and under Health we have to go to the Software Update, and here we can see the software updates is still in preview, and under this we have to go to the Windows, and then we have to click on Configure Settings. Here we have to select the Azure subscription, and then under Log Analytics Workspace we have to select the workspace. So we have Log Analytics Update Compliance Workspace, and then we have to click on Save Settings. Now it's saving the settings, and now the third step is also completed. We can select Go to Update Compliance, and it will redirect us to portal.azure.com, and where we can check the Log Analytics Workspace as well as the Update Compliance. And we can also see that it's saying that waiting for update compliance data. You have enrolled the update compliance, but we are still processing your data as a first time setup. This will typically take 24 hours. I hope this is an informative video for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.